What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Grady Boy YouTube channel. So the plan for the day is to get the Mach 1 bumper on the car. So yeah, luckily my paint guy, body guy, he got it fixed, got the paint corrections out of it. Don't look like crap anymore. It's gonna be really fire. So yeah, let's get started. All right, so we're gonna pretty much show y'all a full installation and how to take the bumper off too. We already got it jacked up because honestly my buddy is helping me. We just honestly had started working, and honestly I forgot I often have to film this. So we're gonna show y'all exactly how to take off the 2018 through 2023 bumper, and pretty much so we're gonna get this shroud taken off. All it is push pin, push pin, push pin, push pin, push pin. Then we got bolts up under here. One of them should be a 5.5 millimeter, and I think the other one's an 8, but I'll let you know once we get there. And yeah, let's get these. All right, you can pull one of them out, Caleb. So it is, you see how to pull a push pin out. I mean, I think most people know how to pull push pins out, but just in case they don't. All you do is pull them and then pull out. There you go. All right, so let me go and get this bash bar off, and I'm gonna probably put y'all on a small time lapse. All right, so right here, that was a 5.5, and I swear it's a 5.5, but 7 millimeter fitted, so I was wrong. It's 2 7s, and I think these are, just to make sure, so I ain't lying to y'all folks. These are 8s. On my car, this is a 7, but I swear that it may have got changed out when I hit a deer. So yeah, so here you go. All you gotta do is get these all across. I'm gonna grab both of these on top real quick. And I know y'all probably don't want to see all this, so whenever I get all these off and we go to the next step, then we'll go back and show y'all. All right, guys, so the other panel that goes inside of here is gonna be, we should only have to take out these 2 right here. And no, yeah, 2. It should be that one right there, this one right here, and I think there's one more farther in, but we're trying our best not to take the wheels off because we do not have jack stands, but I'll let y'all know. All right, guys, so up under here in the wheel well, there's a Christmas tree clip with 2, y'all can kind of see it right there, with 2 10 millimeter nuts on it. So it was a big thing with the Gen 2s that when they didn't have the Christmas tree nut right there, they was bad about pretty much coming apart, and this always looked like, you know, the front bumper was trash. So that's why on the Gen 3, 2018 and up, they put the Christmas tree clips there. So we'll get that off, and we'll resume and let y'all see the rest of it. Yeah. All right, so now it's avoiding taking off the whole belly pan, we're gonna take off the surrounding nuts around it, which should be what size? 7. So 7 millimeters should be all the way around. All the way around the outside into these areas. All right. And when we get all that off, all right, little ass bolts. All right, so we got all the bolts off the bottom. There go my belly pan over there, so we'll make it easier to moving it over there. And now all he has to do is lift up and she comes straight off. Huh? Yeah, we gotta take the plugs off the what do you call them? The fog lights. So whenever he yeah, so guys, just don't remember not to rip your fog light plugs out. So what I'm gonna do, the lines are in here. I'm gonna unplug it real quick. All right, so he's right now, my buddy's putting all the hardware on there from this bumper to that one so it can go on. Yep, she's faceless right now, guys. It's rad to see this. You can see my EOS intercooler, the G3. So yeah, getting everything swapped over for it. All right, right now, like I said again, I know this video is gonna be a little splotchy at places, but right now, just getting the weather stripping, so we put here, so it just won't show white paint the same like a stock weather stripping. That's all it is. Just these little yellow pieces, and they'll go in these holes right here, and you know, right there, and all the way across. So yeah. All right, and then 1 second, it goes down and like that, and they just click them down. Oh, there's not one there. We gotta take that one out. Just take this. We gotta take this one right here out. And direct middle. There's not one right there. Simple as that. All right, weather stripping is on. We got everything, the what do you call them, the fog lights moved over. We understand the wiring for the lights, and oh, now we have to put on that over there, which that will be the under tray for it. We're gonna go ahead and attach the under tray to the actual bumper, and we should be good to go, y'all. Okay, so we done got the bumper pretty much all mocked up, every fitting put on from the old bumper that needs to be there. So we're finna mock up to get the lights to run for the bumper, and once we get the lights mocked up to where they're gonna go to, then we'll be good to go. We'll get the bumper back on the car. Like I said again, we're trying to keep y'all involved as we can, because I don't really want y'all to miss any steps, just in case you're needing the same help. But you know, you get wrapped up with working and you totally forget that you're supposed to have the camera up. So yeah, we'll get it, guys. Okay guys, so I'm finna show y'all the bumper from EOS Extreme Online Store. Guys, you really can't beat it. I'm happy with it. That's exactly what I wanted. It gives me the more look. So no further ado, let me turn the camera around and let y'all see. So let me know what y'all think, but it totally changes the look of Jet. So the lights are wired in, they do turn on. If you can tell, I went with gloss black, double lip, gloss black grill, all of them around. You can even see my EOS cold air intake to the supercharger down there. I'm really loving it. So gonna go probably clean it up, because it got, you know, handprints and everything, dust all on it. Clean it up, and we'll get you some beauty shots of it. Probably get my boy in a minute to even get a rolling shot of it, so we'll just let y'all see it. So stay tuned and find out more about it. And like I said again, that's a big thank you to Extreme Online Store, EOS, for coming through for your boy. All I had to do was ask. They said, "What do you want?" I was like, "Send me the Mach 1 bumper." After everything else they sent me, with no reason, the bumper was already sent. I think I asked for the bumper and he had it to me in a week. Yeah, it wasn't long. Now the long process did happen with paint because they messed up the first coat of paint on it, but they got it right. Let's go get it clean and let's get y'all some beauty shots. All right, guys, we done made it to my little quick spot. Like, as y'all know, the first video I ever made for this car. So, finna get a couple little shots for y'all for a B-roll and shots. So, like I said again, I am happy with the outcome. So, yeah, okay, but also, I'm gonna let y'all know before, give y'all some B-roll. Fitment, I will give it a 9 out of 10. It fit really good. Only problem I had with fitment is since I have an ESS supercharger, the cold air intake that sits directly down there in that hole, the fog light new bracket that holds it up kind of pushes it, but that's not a big problem. It's gonna clearance itself. It's not really affecting the drive of the ESS, or it's not really affecting anything to do with the car. So that's good. The look of it, menacing. Like, that's menacing. I'm really in love with it. The actual materials for it, I give that a 9.5 out of 10. Like, I'm talking about Ford style quality. But yeah, guys, I love it. Clear the B-roll. Okay, guys, this is gonna be the end of the video. Please let me know how Jet looking back there. Let me know y'all thoughts on it. My bad, I got choked up for a second. And special thanks to EOS Extreme Online Store for hooking your boy up with the bumper. It looks ridiculous, man, and can't beat the quality. Please, y'all, go check out EOS Online. Please look at their shop. They got some crazy parts for your S550 Mustang. They got parts for every actually car. But if you're probably on this channel, you're probably looking at S550 Mustang. So y'all go check out Extreme Online Store and go copy something. Thank you for watching Great Boy YouTube channel. We out.